Hello everyone, I'm Kanak and you're watching Ready Steady Eat. Today I'm going to show you famous Mumbai Vada Pav. It is a popular vegetarian famous dish of more natives of Mumbai. So let me show you what you need to make this spicy and hot Vada Pavs. First heat oil in a wok and add mustard seeds to it. When they start crackling, now add asafoetida and curry leaves and saute it for a few seconds. Now add ginger garlic and green chili paste to it and again saute it for a minute until it changes its color. Now it has started changing its color. Now finally add mashed potatoes and now add salt and turmeric powder and mix well. Mix it well nicely with the help of spatula or a spoon until everything is combined together. Now we can see everything is mixed together. Now remove it from the flame and let it cool down. Once it is cooled down to room temperature, now make small roundels like laddus with the help of your hand, and if you want you can take some oil in your hand to make laddus and keep aside. Now the next step is to combine gram flour with salt, turmeric powder, oil and soda with just enough water to make a smooth flow consistency without any lumps. Meanwhile heat the oil for frying. Now take the potato roundels prepared earlier one by one and dip it into the batter. Fry them until golden brown in color. And when you see it is cooked enough and the color is good enough, remove them and place them on a kitchen towel and keep aside. Now all our vadas are ready. Now slice each pav into half and spread some garlic chutney inside and place one vada in each pav and serve immediately. Now my lovely mouth-watering hot and spicy vada pavs are ready to eat now. I just can't wait to have them. You also try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. Also hit the like button and do subscribe to Ready Steady Eat for more such lovely and spicy recipes. It's me Kanak signing off. Bye bye.